Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today we are going to be achieving this starter lock using interlocking method. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is giving her hair a pattern so that she can always maybe braid her hair when she wants to wear a wig or do something else with her hair. So the first thing to do when you start this hair is take a section, tore around the tip till it looks frizzy. Then you can actually use your hand to do this, but to an extent. Then you can get a crochet needle, so you go in and out, south, east, west, south, east, west. But doing this without taking a pattern makes it look really locked. That's if you don't want to take down this hair ever again. So now that I've gotten to the end where my hands can no longer go in, I'm going to go in with a crochet needle. Using a bigger crochet needle is better because it's going to feel like your hand going in and out. But using a tiny crochet needle will give it a very tiny pattern. So this hair looks like lock instantly. It doesn't have to wait for months. So I always like going south and north. So at the end, I finish up at the bottom. I finish up downwards so as to lay the hair down. So you finish up where you want the hair to look. You don't finish up maybe just anywhere you finish. So you'll be conscious of where you want the hair to look. So this is how the hair looks. It looks like this lock has already stayed for long. It just looks like we are doing retwisting. But this is the first time we're actually installing this lock on this hair. So the first thing, I'm going to give a closer look. The first thing is I take my shea butter, very light one. I put it at the ends of the hair, then freeze it a little with my palm, turn it around. Then I go in with the hair first. So now I want to show you how to do this with a crochet needle. I actually did it with a crochet needle and it came out well too. So you go in, out, south, west, east. You just go in, but you don't go on one direction because you are going to have this hair making a knot at just giving you one round shape at the end. So see the way I went up. So when I want to lap this hair now, I will end it downward so that it can lap and not stand or stay. See the way it looks when I've not lapped it. So when I put it down now and take it downwards, it's just going to lap and stay down without any efforts or forcing it to do so. So she's actually having her lock for the first time, and I actually tried taking down this hair and it came down very easily. So I'm going to demonstrate what I mean here by, if you go one direction, you are going to get it all wrong. So after turning around, the next thing you do is you open up the hair, put this hair in, you go the other direction and put this hair in. So in a case whereby you keep going one direction, like I have always said, you are going to have this hair looking like one wide end. When I do the next lock, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like doing it with your hand. It's actually really simple. So when you get to the end where your hand can no longer go in, you just start pulling it out with your crochet needle and your lock is ready. So this is what I mean by when you go in the same time. You're just going to have this hair looking like this. You're going to have the end open this way. So that's why you need to go left, right, like south, east, west, south, east, west, but I think going just left, right made it easier for me. And taking down this hair is also that easy. Maybe when it stays longer, it might not be that easy to take down. So this can be a temporary lock for a while. Then it can also be a permanent way of locking your hair. I really like the way it came out. So knowing how much you spend on locking your hair in a lock center or any salon, this can be a very good option for you to do at home, since when you do this and you constantly wash your hair, freeze it and do other things with it, it's just going to lock instantly, and then you have your lock. So the way we made this hair is so as we can always retwist. So it's easier to retwist when you have a pattern, and it's also easier to do other things with your hair. So if you can see what this hair is already turning out to look like at this stage, you see that it's already looking like locks, though not very heavy locks, but it looks really beautiful like locks. All right, guys, I'm really excited I tried this out. And if I haven't told you, this is my first time of doing this, and I did it for a customer and I got paid heavily. So if you are someone who is looking for what to do, you can also learn this and you can make it for people. You can make money. You can, I don't know, I just saw this somewhere and I learned it instantly, and I'm so excited I really did it. And I'm also going to try it on my hair. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a comment down below. Tell me what you think I did wrong and what I should correct next time. This customer is already happy with the look of this hair. So imagine this hair stays longer than 3 months. See how it's going to come out. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much, guys, and I promise you guys more and more and more amazing content. I'll see you guys in my next video, and my video on my lock extension will soon be out. Thank you so much. All right, guys, bye.